Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today we're making tandoori chicken sent in by Joanne Smith. Thank you very much. The ingredients are 1 whole chicken, 2 onions, half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of each of these spices, ginger, cumin, coriander, turmeric and paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 garlic clove, a 2-inch piece of ginger, a tablespoon of soy sauce and 250 grams of fat-free Greek-style yoghurt. We start by juicing the lemon. Once you've squeezed the lemon, put the lemon in the chicken's carcass. Now wash your hands. Crush the garlic and ginger and place in the bowl. Add to the bowl 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give this a good mix together, along with a teaspoon of salt. Once mixed, add 250 grams of low-fat Greek-style yoghurt. Give this a really good mix so all the spices combine with the yoghurt. Once well combined, pour over the chicken to marinate. If you just make sure you cover the whole chicken, cover the bowl with cling film and place in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. After the chicken is marinated, finely chop the onions. Don't need to be too careful with this because it's just going to protect the chicken. Take the chopped onions and lay on the bottom of the slow cooker. This is to protect the chicken from the heat. Take the chicken and marinade and place in the slow cooker. Replace the lid of the slow cooker and cook for 4.5 hours on high or 9 hours on low. This is lovely served with salad or as a main meal.